In today's class, we will solve a problem based on dimensional analysis, and this question is asked in JEE 2023. So they have given an equation which is x plus a divided by y square. Here x and y are, x is pressure and y is volume. The other term is y minus b, which is equal to RT. Here R is gas constant and T is temperature, and we have to find the ratio of A and B. So they didn't give the dimension of A and B, so we have to find the dimension of A and B, and we have to find the ratio. So in this problem, we don't want really this term R and T, which is not necessary. So we have two terms. The first term is x plus a by y square. And the second term is y minus b. So we have to find the dimension of A and B. First we will find the dimension of B. To find the dimension of B, what we have to do is we have to equate the terms in the bracket, which is y is equal to b. Always remember, the terms in the bracket will have the same dimension. Here y term has the volume. Y term has the volume, which has the dimension length cube. Since we know volume is represented in meter cube, so it is length cube. So y is length, such that B will also have L cube as its dimension. Similarly, we have to equate x is equal to a by y square. We really don't want to look at this positive and the negative signs. All we have to do is we have to equate both the terms, and they will be having the same dimensions. That's all. So don't look for positive, negative and equate to 0, those things and all. Just the quantity, this quantity will be equal to this quantity. So x is equal to a by y square. Since x term is pressure, and we know for pressure is equal to force by area, that is a formula for pressure. And for force, we know it is mLT power minus 2 divided by, for area it is L square. So the final answer will be mL power minus 1 T power minus 2. These things we have discussed in our previous class. If you have any doubts, you can watch that video. So the x term is mL power minus 1 T power minus 2 is equal to a divided by y square. Since the dimension of y is volume, which is L cube, the whole square. So A will be equal to m L power minus 1 t power minus 2 multiplied by L power 6. And the final answer will be m. Here we have L power minus 1, L power 6. So the bases are same and we have to add the power. 6 minus 1 is 5. So L power 5 t power minus 2. Now we have find the dimension of A and dimension of B. So we can find the ratio of A and B. The ratio of A and B is equal to, for A we have found out it is m L power 5 t power minus 2 divided by, for B we have found out which is L cube. So we can cancel it out, 5 and 3. Oh, since the bases are same and it is in division, so we have to minus or subtract the powers. 5 minus 3 we will be getting L2 t power minus 2. Now, which physical quantity will have this dimension? So previously we have seen for force, I have written the dimension as ml t power minus 2. See, for force, the formula is ma, mass time acceleration. For mass we have m, and for acceleration we have L t power minus 2. I hope you know the formula. Kg and the unit of mass is kilogram. For acceleration, meter per second square. For meter we have length, and for time we have t. It is in denominator, so when it comes to the numerator it becomes as minus 2. And we have L square term, one term we have. So what they have done is, this term is multiplied by length. So there is a formula which is work done, force multiplied by distance. So for work done we have this dimension m L square t power minus 2. Because we have this additional term distance or displacement, we will get this term. But we don't have this option. We don't have this option in our question. We don't have the option in our question. So what I have said is work which is not in the options. But we know energy, which is the capacity or the ability to do work. And for work and energy, we have the same dimensions. So the answer will be energy So the answer will be energy. So that's how we have to do this problem. Whenever an equation is given like this, we have to find the dimension for the unknown quantities. First equate the terms given in the bracket. So for the first term we have x is equal to a by y square, and for the second term we have equated y is equal to b. So that's how we have to do the problem. I hope you would have understand this, and thanks for watching.